Hey, this is digital lifestyle expert Mario Armstrong. The hottest consumer electronics and technology are being unveiled right here at CES 2024 in Las Vegas. Check out this new cool product heading our way. Smart health is big at CES, and the Laifen Wave electric toothbrush is solving a major problem that has long plagued the industry, deeply cleaning teeth while still protecting gums. It has an all-new 60-degree oscillation movement. It combines with 66,000 vibrations per minute for a much deeper clean in hard-to-reach areas. Its extra soft tapered bristles enhance the brushing comfort and protect the gums. This is really important. My dentist is telling me I'm brushing too hard, so this is great for that. The stainless steel design is seamless and gap-free, preventing debris buildup, and the app offers customized brushing as well. Check out more details at laifentech.com. And to find everything I covered today, including links, just visit bestofces.com or visit us and find us on Instagram at InTheNewsTV.